Hello children, good morning. So I hope you are done with your good morning rhyme, your prayers, your color of the month that is pink, shape of the month that is heart, your phonic drill, days of the week and months of the year. Also we are doing the community helper that is sweeper. And our hero of the month for this month is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, also known as Lokmanya Tilak. Okay children, so today we are going to learn a new concept in maths. Okay, so please look at the pictures. See, what do we see here? Put arrows in the direction of growing size. Growing size means small to big. Okay children, growing size. Now see, in the first picture it is done for you. What it is showing you? Can you see what is visible here? There is a small seed, a plant seed. Okay, when that plant seed is sown into the soil, see what is happening. Okay, a small plant is emerging out. See, leaf, stem is coming out, and when it is growing more older, it is becoming a tree. So this is called growing size. Seed to plant, plant to tree. So in this way we have 4 more examples here, and now we have to put them into their growing sizes. So now in the second row, what do we see? Here we have a adult boy. Here we have a young boy, and we have a small baby. Okay children. So now same how we saw from seed to tree, we have to put arrows. So how will be the arrows from here to here or here to here? So what happens here? A baby becomes a young boy, and the young boy grows to a adult boy. Right? So this is how the baby grows. Right children? Now here in the third picture we have something of your interest. What is this? This is a lollipop. Again we have to make it small to big. So this is very simple. This is the smallest lollipop we have. Then we have a little bigger size, and this is the biggest size, right children? So it will go from here to here. Small to big. So we now understand what is small to big concept. Small to big. Let us see one more example. Here we have colorful cars, children, colorful cars. So this is the biggest car, this is a mid-sized car, this is a very small car. So now we have to put it from small to big. So this is big as I told you. So now it will be from here. This is a purple color car. All of you know purple color. Then this is a red color car. We also know red color. Then it's a green color car. We know green color. So it is purple to red to green. This is small to big. At the end we have the growing structure of an egg to a chicken, then to a hen. So how does it happen? Does egg become the hen or the hen becomes the egg? See, we have an egg first. From the egg we get a small chicken, and from that we get a hen. Okay, so then this is the growing size, egg to chicken to hen. So this is the concept for the day children. Growing size, small to big, small to big. This is the growing size. Okay, this is the concept for the day. Try to find such more examples at home. You can discuss these examples with your family. You can also check in your books, your activity books, your maths books. Okay. So have a good day children. Keep learning. Bye-bye.